This is January 2022. Snow will be gone very soon, and it is time for me to plan my first boat in this coming year. A few of you have expressed the interest in how I will modify my Gen 18. I will discuss my plan in this video. Looking back at Gen 18, it is a boat that should be able to last for many years. At first, I didn't plan to wrap the foam core with chloroplast. However, this technique created a very durable boat and can be repaired very easily too. I will redo this boat and go back to the original planned building technique. That is, using the chloroplast just for the living hinge, but cover most of the surface of the foam with Gorilla Tape instead of chloroplast. Mainly is to reduce the weight. I have considered modifying this boat into a foldable pontoon boat, very similar to my Gen 17. That is also a very nice boat. If I do that, the estimated weight of the boat will be around 28 pounds. But if I keep the boat like a tri-hull shape, just like Gen 18, I may be able to reduce the weight of the boat to around 20 pounds. I will trim the body to 1.5 feet wide, and I should be able to reduce the total width of the boat to around 31 to 32 inches, which will be much easier to paddle. To change the shape of the bow and stern and make them more streamlined, I will also flip the pontoon sideways. All these changes will create a boat with better tracking. I will make a stronger and lighter metal mount for the pedal drive. I will also add a rudder for steering. Hope this boat will be good enough for me to go through the registration process so that I can put a trolling motor on it legally. If you find this video interesting, please give me a like. I appreciate your support for subscribing to my channel so that you will get the latest update. Again, thanks for watching. Happy New Year!